I'm back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share chemistry paper that was conducted by National University of Medical Sciences chemistry section in Mdcat 2023 conducted by NUMS, or you may say that NUMS entry test 2023. So question number 111, vapor pressure is independent of which factor? A. Temperature. B. Intermolecular force. C. Density of liquid. D. Surface area of liquid. And the correct answer is D. Surface area of liquid. Question number 112. The boiling point of other is loss as compared to alcohols and phenols due to A. Functional group. C. Intermolecular forces. C. Nature of alkyl groups. D. Isomerism. And the correct answer is B. Intermolecular force. Question number 113. When two ice cubes are pressed over each other, they unite to form one cube due to A. Dipole attraction. B. Covalent attraction. C. Van der Waals forces. D. H bonding. And the correct answer is D. H bonding. Question number 114. Which statement correctly describes the structure of sodium chloride crystal? Read the statement and correct answer is, so you have to answer this question as well. Question number 115. The great lattice energy is shown by A. NaCl, B. NaBr, C. NaL, D. NaF, and the correct answer is D. NaF. Question number 116. Thermal conductivity of metals is due to A. Layered structure of metals, B. Freely moving electrons, C. Loosely held metal atoms, D. Vibrational movement of metals, and the correct answer is B. Freely moving electrons. Question number 116. 17. The high pressure of 200 atom Herbert's process is used for A. Better yield, B. Lower yield, C. Lower rate, D. Cost decrease, and the correct answer is A. Better yield. Question number 118. By which of the following factors equilibrium state is attained earlier? A. Temperature, B. Pressure, C. Concentration, D. Catalyst, and the correct answer is D. Catalyst. Question number 119. When temperature of reacting gases is raised by 10 K, the reaction rate will increase to A. Double, B. 3 times, C. 4 times, D. 5 times, and the correct answer is A. Double. Question number 120. The minimum amount of energy required to colliding particles of effective collision is called A. Activation energy, B. Lattice energy, C. Bond energy, D. Hydration energy, and the correct answer is A. Activation energy. Question number 121. Which of the following is not a state of function? A. Pressure, B. Work, C. Volume, D. Temperature, and the correct answer is B. Work. Question number 122. Equation represents which energy change? And the correct answer is C. Static energy. Question number 123. When nitric oxide reacts with ozone, the order of reaction will be A. Second, B. Third, C. First, D. Zero, and the correct answer is C. First. Question number 124. During electrolysis, reduction always occurs at the A. Anode, B. Cathode, C. D. Cell bridge, and the correct answer is B. Cathode. Question number 125. The reason of highest electronegativity value of fluorine is A. Complete outermost shell, B. Ability to form negative ion, C. Existence as dynamic molecule, D. Smaller size and higher nuclear charge in the respective period, and the correct answer is D. Smaller size and higher nuclear charge in respective period. Question number 126. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory explains A. Bond energy, B. Bond length, C. Shapes and bond energy, D. Shapes, and the correct answer is D. Shapes. Question number 128. 27. Which of the following has a sp cube hybridization? A. BF3, B. C2H4, C. BeCl2, D. CH4. And the correct answer is D. CH4. Question number 128. The factor which is not affecting bond length is A. Pressure of multiple bonds, B. Nature of hybridization present, C. Differences in electronegativity between the two bond atoms, D. Ionization energies of the two bonded atoms. Question number 129. Which of the following substance is malleable and ductile? A. Sodium chloride, B. Copper sulfate, C. Mercury, D. Aluminum. And the correct answer is D. Aluminum. Question number 130. Coordination number of Na, sodium, is A. 10, B. 9, C. 8, D. 12. And the correct answer is C. 8. Question number 131. The cracking method used to obtain better quantity gasoline is A. Thermal, B. Catalyst, C. Steam, D. Radiations. And the correct answer is B. Catalytic. Question number 132. Homocyclic organic compounds are subdivided into two types, namely A. Alicyclic and aromatic, B. Open chain and bonded chain, C. Aromatic and non-aromatic, D. Antiaromatic and antialicyclic. And the correct answer is A. Alicyclic and aromatic. Question number 133. Acetophenone can be formed by which of the following reactions of benzene? A. Alkylation, B. Acylation, D. Halogenation, D. Nitration. And the correct answer is B. Acylation. Question number 134. Generic formula of cycloalkane is, and the correct answer is B. CnH2n-1. Question number 135. Which of the following reactions differentiates alcohol from phenol? A. Lucas test, B. Halogenation, C. Nitration, D. Iodoform test. And the correct answer is D. Iodoform test. Question number 136. The order of reactivity of alcohol when C2O bond breaks is, and the correct answer is tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alcohol. Question number 137. CnH2nO is the general formula of ether, carboxylic acid, ketones, carbolic acid. And the correct answer is C. Ketone. Question number 138. Catalytic reduction of aldehyde and ketone forms A. Alcohol, B. Carboxylic acid, C. Alkane, D. Aldehyde. And the correct answer is A. Alcohol. Question number 139. Which of the following meets carboxylic acid? A. Aldehyde, B. Alkyl halide, C. Ketones, D. Alcohol. And the correct answer is D. Alcohol. Question number 140. Hydrolysis of nitrates produces A. Carboxylic acid, B. Aldehyde, C. Ketones, D. Esters. And the correct answer is A. Carboxylic acid. Question number 141. What is the mass of sulfur in 24.5 gram of H2SO4? And the correct answer is, options are A. 32 gram, B. 24 gram, C. 16 gram, D. 8 gram. And the correct answer is 8 gram. Question number 142. From the equation N2 plus 3H2 2NH3, how many moles of NH3 are produced from 2.5 moles of N2? A. 2.5 moles, B. 2 moles, C. 5 moles, D. 7.5 moles. And the correct answer is C. 5 moles. Question number 143. The amount of energy associated with quantum of radiation is directly proportional to A. Photon, B. Wavelength, C. Frequency, D. Velocity. And the correct answer is C. Frequency. Question number 144. If value of azimuthal number is 2, then total values of magnetic number will be A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 10. And the correct answer is B. 5. Question number 145. Total number of directions of f orbitals in space are A. 5, B. 3, C. 7, D. 6. And the correct answer is C. 7. Question number 148. 146. Which of the following quantum number is not obtained from Schrödinger wave equation? A. Principal quantum number, B. Spin quantum number, C. Azimuthal quantum number, D. Magnetic quantum number. And the correct answer is B. Spin quantum number. Question number 147. The electronic configuration for degenerate orbitals is explained by A. Aufbau principle, B. N plus L rule, C. Hund's rule, D. Pauli's exclusion state theory. And the correct answer is C. Hund's rule. Question number 148. The idea that molecules in gases are in constant movement is called A. Kinetic theory of gases, B. Crystal field theory, C. Molecular orbital theory, D. Transmission state theory. And the correct answer is A. Kinetic theory of gases. 149. The SI unit for pressure is A. mm of Hg, B. Pascal, C. bar, D. tar. And the correct answer is B. Pascal. Question number 150. Last question. If both temperature and volume of gas are doubled the pressure, please subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. A. Cannot be predicted, B. Is reduced to half, C. Remains unchanged, D. Is doubled. And the correct answer is C. Remains unchanged. Best of luck for your NUMS 2024 test. For more videos, test preparation, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you. Stay connected.